In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share passwords on 1password. 2025, step by step. We're keeping this simple, secure, and easy to follow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a secure share link for a password you've already saved in 1password, so someone else can view it safely. First, open your preferred web browser and search for 1password. You can type the name into your search bar, then click through to the official website. As a quick safety check, make sure the address you land on is the genuine 1password site and that the page is secured with HTTPS. It's a small habit, but it protects you from lookalike sites. Next, log in with your account. Sign in the same way you normally do. If you're prompted for additional verification, just complete it as usual. Remember, you're on your own device, so take a second to confirm you're comfortable signing in on this browser. Once you're in, look for your personal area. This is your private vault where your individual items live. Click on Personal to open it. If you use multiple vaults, this helps make sure you're browsing the items you personally control and intend to share from. Now choose the password you want to share and click on it to open the item details. Take a moment to confirm it's the exact login or credential you mean to share. Double check the website or service name and any notes attached. If it's a work-related item, make sure you're allowed to share it and that you're sharing it with the right person. With the item open, click Share. This tells 1password you want to create a secure viewing link for the selected item. Depending on your plan, you may see some sharing options on this screen, such as who can view the link or how long it stays accessible. If you're unsure, the default settings are designed to be safe for most situations, and you can keep it simple. Finally, click Copy Link. This copies the secure link to your clipboard so it's ready to use. The link leads to a protected page where the recipient can view the item without needing full access to your vault. Keep in mind, sharing links are meant to be used carefully. Treat the link like you would the password itself and only share it with people you trust. If you paste it into a message, be sure you're using a trusted channel and the correct recipient. That's all it takes. Search for 1password, sign in, go to your personal vault, pick the right item, click share, and then copy link. Thanks for watching and stay safe while you share.